my supporters, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If at all you are new here, my good name is Eunice Gado. Feel welcomed. My all-time subscribers, asante sana for your support. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you so much for commenting. I really appreciate. And for those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe to support me. And you can always press that notification bell to notify you whenever I post a video, so that you guys can watch it and support me. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Like tu kamoja. You can share to friends. Unipe ka like, will appreciate. In today's new video, we are going to make chicken curry. If at all guys you want to know how to make a very professional chicken curry, please follow my recipe here. I'm going to make a video for you guys so that you follow it keenly and make good curry. If at all you don't want to make a curry with a lot of spices, mostly for the kids, you can follow my recipe. Guys, it doesn't have a lot of spices. Really, it just have a black pepper, a little bit of black pepper, and the rest, I don't think if it has any chili, guys, because my daughter always eats this chicken, so I'm sure all the kids can eat this chicken. It's very nice and it tastes good. So guys, please, this recipe is really good. Watch it to the end and I will appreciate you guys for your support. Thank you so much. I love you. Let's meet in our video. In my pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then I'm going to add the 4 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, then 1 bay leaf. I'm going to leave it to fry for a few minutes until that aroma starts coming out. I will fry in that nice smell. Onions. Just for a few minutes. Then I will crush in the 2 garlic. Then we'll continue frying them to golden brown.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
I will cover my pan and give it a few minutes to cook.
So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how.
I will add in the natural yogurt. You can use cream if you have it, and give it a quick mix. Half cup of cream would be enough. At this point, we are going to add in our chicken. I will spice it up with a chicken cube. One will be enough. I will mix the chicken well and cover it. Cook it for some time so that it absorbs flavor. Then we'll add in hot water. And give it a quick mix. I will cover it and leave it to cook for about 30 minutes. In a different pot, I'm going to cook rice. So guys, I will measure 1 cup of rice. Then I will wash it in this bowl. Then for the water, I'm going to measure 2 cups of water. Guys, if you cook 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. Then I have added some oil and salt to taste. Then I will put my rice in and cook it for 20 minutes on a low heat.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say.
After 20 minutes, guys, our rice is well cooked. Our chicken is ready. Look at that. Look at the curry. It looks so nice, appetizing. I'm gonna garnish it with our coriander. Oh my guys, this looks so nice. And I'm telling you, it's smelling really good. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of butter in our rice. Then mix it well to combine. Butter will always give a good taste to your food. If you want, you can use butter to cook your rice instead of oil. Guys, I have served my curry chicken. Look at it. It's so nice, tasty, and so appetizing. I'm going to serve it with my rice. Look guys, our dinner is ready. Oh, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting me. We have come to the end of our video. Please subscribe, like. Watch my videos to the end and I will appreciate. Bye bye.